It's working now. Okay, this is what I said before. Look, it's dyed red, but it'll look better next month. And then I will get rid of my roots too. Thank God.
Hey, looks so different going with like that one, isn't it?
I like my cosplay. I will actually, I think I'll use that cosplay at some point.
Oh,
The one with the white jacket. Because I never thought that I would use it, but then I look at it and go, well, it's just the skirt that needs to be adjusted. Could be something. So good. Oh, what's this? Whoa, wrong side. I hate these things. Where is it?